how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. So if you want to fix your Roblox voice chat not working, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and then go with your Roblox. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now once you're here, you need to go with the gear-shaped icon, which is on the top right. Click on the gear-shaped icon and then go with settings. Once you're under settings here, you need to make sure that you have updated or verified your age. You need to go with verify my age and you need to verify it. Make sure that you're above the age of 13. After you do that, go with the privacy tab on the left section as well. And then scroll down until you see the communication tab. Open that up and you'll find voice chat option. Make sure that you have enabled your microphone. Just keep in mind one more time that you must verify your age. If you have not verified, as I've not verified my age, so I don't have my voice chat option. So if you've not verified, you won't find the voice chat option. If you're unsure how to do that, Roblox actually does provide a built-in guide. So just follow that. And we have some multiple tutorials on that, on how you can verify your age. And even after that, if you're not seeing any option for voice chat, and if you're over the age of 13, and if you verify your age, then you need to contact your Roblox support. To do this, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page of your home page. So go with the home page at first. Once you're on your Roblox homepage, you need to scroll all the way down and you will find an option of help section. So here on the bottom, as you can see that I have help, you need to click on it, open that up and submit a request through their support form. And they should get back to you within 48 hours. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.